alone, people, insects, creepy crawlies, smell, small, pieces, meals, hiding place, empty, spider, web, everything, corner, castle, tidy,
ant,
flea, beetle, fly, scorpion, spider, moth, cockroach, bedbugs, woodworm beetle.
Are you home alone? Every house is a home to people and insects. Here are some of the creepy crawlies in the rooms with you. There's a nice smell coming from your kitchen. Dinner is ready. Take a look at the kitchen floor. Are there small pieces of food on it? These are great meals for ants. What's behind the fridge and the cooker? Small cockroaches in their hiding place. Are you tired? Your bed is the best place to relax, together with those small black bed bugs. They are tired too. These aren't the only bugs in your bedroom. There are moths in the wardrobe between your new t-shirt and your favorite jeans. Time for a bath? The bathroom is empty, isn't it? No, it isn't. Above the bath is a spider on its web. It has a great view of everything from that corner of the room. That smell of wood in the living room is great. There are tables, chairs, and a bookcase. There are also woodworms, and that's not good. Your home is your castle. Keep it clean and tidy. Bugs don't live in clean places.